Hello, everybody. This is wig number 176, wig number 176, and this is wig number 481. Both are available on our website, magichaircompany.com. Today I'm just going to briefly style this. I'm going to cut some layers into it and hydrate it. And I'm probably going to actually cut it like here, and then cut a little bit of layers into it, and then put some mousse into it. This is our deep body wave texture, and this is a 12-inch wig. All of our wigs can be found on our website, magichaircompany.com. You guys like my shirt? All of our wigs are free parting. All of our in-stock wigs can be found on our website, magichaircompany.com. We're currently open by appointment only. We are open Wednesday through Saturday from 11 a.m. to about 6 p.m. And we're open by appointment only, so we do ask that you text us to make your appointment. Our text phone number, do not call this number, is 424-258-0657. We just want to schedule your appointments to be able to adhere to social distancing and make sure everybody gets the one-on-one undivided attention they need. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Once again, this wig is wig number 176, and this is wig number 481. If you're new to Magic Hair Company, we're located here in Culver City, California. My name's Janice. I am the owner. I've been here for almost 8 years now in this location. All of our wigs are glueless, free parting. This is a front lace wig. All of our wigs have baby hair right around this perimeter right here. Can you guys see that? So yeah, you can change the part however you want. Right now it's on this side. You can put it to this side over here. The easiest way to change the part is when the unit is wet, which I'm going to wet it down right now. In this spray bottle here, I have some of our hydrating curl definer and amplifier, which you can find at magichaircompany.com, or of course it's available here in store. So I just put some of that in this bottle with some water, and we are going to hydrate her. Actually, I should have cut her first. So we won't be cutting this one now that it's wet. I'll do that tomorrow since I already wet this one. This is probably my second time going live on Facebook, so I don't really know how Facebook Live works. I can't see any comments. I don't know if I was supposed to press something or not. So I usually do Instagram Live, and I'm able to see people talking to me, but I can't. So I don't know if I didn't press something. I don't know. And this is our deep body wave texture. Okay, I see something. Hey, from Richmond, Virginia, and I'm new to buying wigs. I really love this one. Does it come longer? Yes, we specialize in custom wigs, so we have wigs in every length. We can order it for you in short as 8 inches, or as short as 10 inches, and as long as 30. So yes, absolutely. As soon as I'm done hydrating this one, I will bring down some longer ones. So like we have this one here. Same texture, but longer right here. The one in my hand is wig number 158. This is a 20-inch version. So you go to our website, magichaircompany.com, type in wig number 158, and you will get all of the details on this one. So these two are the same textures, but this one is longer, and I just wet this one down. But yes, we definitely have longer wigs available. We have hundreds of wigs available online and in store, so go check out our website, magichaircompany.com. Our featured wig section has wigs that are currently in stock and available. We have hundreds of wigs available on our wig wall right here. And everything that is in stock is on magichaircompany.com in the featured wig section. Everything in the featured wig section can ship out in 1 to 3 business days. If you're local, feel free to come in. Our business hours, our current COVID hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 11 to 5, 6-ish p.m. That's Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. I'm new to Facebook Live. I usually do Instagram Live, but I know my Facebook customers are my Facebook fans, and they're there and they love me. If I keep looking this way, it's because we have a store here, like we're a real store, and sometimes people are calling my attention, or people are just outside and I'm very aware of my surroundings. But yeah, so this is wig number 176. This is wig number 481. We do custom coloring here in store. So if you want something custom colored, we can do that here for you at Magic Hair Company. We have 8 different textures. We do full lace, we do front lace wigs. We have our store here in Culver City. So if you are local and want to come try on your wig, you are more than welcome to do that. That way we can get your cap fitting the exact way it needs to fit. We want to make sure that you are comfortable in your wig and that you know how to wear it. Because there's no, you know, I hate when people get a wig from us and then I talk to them months later and they're like, oh, you know what? I never even took out the bag because I didn't know how to put it on. Well, you just put it on, and it's very easy. Our wigs are very beginner friendly. When you're in the store, we will ask you, do you want us to show you how to take it on and off? It's very easy. Our wigs are made for first-time wig wearers. That was something really important to me when creating my wigs, that first-time wig wearers are able to wear our wigs here. Because I don't know about you, but for me, part of wearing a wig is the convenience. So I need something that's easy to put on, very low maintenance, fast, quick, boom, boom, I'm out doing whatever it is I need to do. I don't have a whole bunch of time to style my hair and do this and do that. So yeah, let me show you what this part looks like here. So let me just clean the part up there. Once again, we're located here in Culver City. Our current COVID hours are Wednesday through Saturday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. But I'm usually here until like 6:30. So we for sure open at 11 a.m. Text us to make your appointment right now. Our text number, text only, do not call this number, is 424-258-0657. Text us to make your appointment. I'm just showing you guys how easily you can change the part. The easiest way to change the part is when the hair is wet. And there you go like that. You just simply change the part. All of our wigs are glueless. You can glue it. You can glue it down or sew it down if you want, but they are glueless. So if you need a wig right now for your Zoom meeting, or you need to be ready to go out the house for whatever, your stylist is not available, Magic Hair Company is here with flawless, glueless, human hair, long-lasting, natural-looking, quality custom wigs. And once again, this is wig number 176. I think I'm still going to trim her just a little bit in the back. No, actually I'm not, because I want her to be dry when I style her. So if you're just tuning in, I just use the Hydrating Curl Definer and Amplifier, which is available. Ooh, that light's kind of bright there. It's available at magichaircompany.com, or it's of course available in store. All of the wigs in our featured wig section online are in store and can ship in the next 1 to 3 business days because it's in stock. We do specialize in making custom wigs here, so if you want a custom wig, we can also take care of that here at Magic Hair Company. We have silky straight, kinky straight, body wave, deep body wave, curly, kinky curly, yaki, and that's it. And we can do any of those textures in 10 inches to as long as 30 inches. And we do full lace and front lace wigs. So if you're looking for a custom quality wig, shop with Magic Hair Company because we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. We are your hair loss specialist. This is our inside cap construction right here. So as you can see, we do have this transparent, or not transparent, we do have this scalp illusion right here, which creates a lot of security right here. This is also great because it doesn't really matter what your hair looks like underneath your wig because it's not going to be seen because of our scalp illusion there. So you can freely part this front lace wig anywhere in the front up to 6 inches, and you will have a lot of free parting space. And this band right here is removable and adjustable. I recommend removing this when you are gluing the wig down, so that way you can preserve the elasticity of the band here. And the band is adjustable. Where is the address? Our address is on our page, but it's 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. We are located here in Culver City. Our current hours are 11 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm usually here until like 6:30. So if you're running late, just give us a call. Text us to make your appointment. Our text number is 424-258-0657. And we are here. We're here. We can cut the lace for you, whether you make your purchase in store or online. You just select, I would like the lace cut when you're adding the unit to your cart, and we will gladly cut the lace for you. So when you receive it, it is ready to go. You just put it on your head. If it's curlier texture, it may need to be hydrated after it's shipping, but that's it. Our wigs are ready to go when you receive them. Also, if you're making a purchase online, we do international shipping, yes, and then if you are local, you can choose whether you want your package shipped to you or if you want to do in-store pickup. We have in-store contactless pickup, so when you arrive here in store, give us a call and we will meet you outside with our cool little bucket here, and we will deliver your order to you right outside. So you have two options. You can either have the order shipped to you or pick it up right here in store during our current COVID hours, which are Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And of course, visit our featured wigs on our website at magichaircompany.com. All featured wigs are in stock and can ship in 1 to 3 days. All right, guys, I'm going to get off here now. I'm going to do a better job of trying to get on live more often. Yeah, my name is Janice. I'm the owner of Magic Hair Company located here in Culver City, California. We are your premium glueless, full lace and front lace wig specialist. We do custom coloring here in store. What else? We can custom make the wig for you of your dreams. At checkout, you can either have your wig shipped to you, even if you're international, and domestic shipping is free. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, domestic shipping is free. Or you can choose to pick your wig up right here in our Culver City store during our current hours on Wednesday through Saturday. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.